Good evening, everyone. So today I'd like to discuss the level 4 lockdown and the permits required for businesses to function. So my core focus right now is SMMEs because it's you guys that need the most help and the most support right now. So that's what my next few videos over the next few months are going to be about, just developing SMMEs. So let's just get straight into it. In lockdown level 4, a few things have changed, as you know, including the type of businesses that constitute as essential services. In a slide to follow, you will see a list of the businesses that constitute as essential services during lockdown level 4. So in level 4, you're going to need 2 permits as a business, one for your business and one for your staff. So the first permit you need is an essential services permit, and you're already familiar with that. But just to refresh your memory, you're going to go to Biz Portal. Watch the slide to follow to know exactly how to go about applying for your essential services permit on Biz Portal. Go to bizportal.gov.za, click on services. Services should open up. You're going to scroll down to the last service, which will be highlighted in red, and click on that red icon. A notification will come up. You're going to close that notification on the services page, scroll down, click on new application. That should take you to another page, and when you reach this page, you're going to be asked for your business registration number. That's your CIPC number. Enter it in there, and you see your business details come up. Be sure to enter the correct business category that you fall into, the correct business sector. Enter a business trading name if applicable. Enter the number of employees required to work during lockdown. Then you're going to enter the director ID number, and you'll see that the business address pops up. Okay, then you want to click on continue. After you've pressed continue, enter the ID number of the contact person, first name and surname of the contact person in the business, and all contact details of that particular person, and click on continue. At this point, you see a confirmation that you've successfully applied for your permit. You'll be given the option to download your permit by entering the business registration number, but you will also have this permit on your screen emailed to you. So there's no reason to actually download it because it will be emailed to the email address you've put in. Next thing you need to do is that you need to ensure that your staff have permits as well. So your staff permit is going to look something like this. If you're an informal business, you will be able to use the essential worker permit as a business trading permit. Please ensure that even though you have these permits, you will still need to stick to the rules and regulations for lockdown level 4. All the documents that I've discussed will be attached in the form of a URL in the description column, and I will also make this available on my Facebook page. You will see all our contact details available at the end of this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe back to the channel for more tips on how small businesses can grow and thrive. Also be sure to watch the video that we have on COVID-19 debt relief funding and how to go about applying for it. Please be sure to watch it and apply if you are eligible. Take care and have a good evening.